Alton Towers around the house. Today is my first ever go on a stair lift, and if I'm completely honest, I didn't quite know how they work before. So here we go. We've got a remote. It's battery powered. You plug it into the wall. It constantly charges those batteries. If the power ever cuts off, you've got battery powered operation. Will keep you going until the power's back on. Two remotes, one top of the stairs, one at the bottom. And let's buckle in. Here we go. Isn't this a fun, exciting video? If you think I've gone completely mad, let me know in the comment section below. If you're really lucky, I might even bring it back down to see you. Here we come. Who needs Alton Towers when you got one of these? So if you've enjoyed this ridiculous video, please give it a like. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Pouse around the house. Ta-ta, farewell.